Hi, in this video I will tell you about how the Academy will looks like from the learner side at the mobile phone. This is login page. Let's go inside the Academy. This is the courses page where I stored all courses available for the learner. On the right top side, you can see a navigation menu where learner could find all the sections that are available for him. Let's see how will looks like a course from the learner side. This is an example of how lesson could look at the mobile phone. Also, learner has an opportunity to click on the side button, and here he will see a plan of the course and also lessons, his progress, and also he can choose a test here. Let's see how test will look like from the learner side. This is an example how the test could look like at the mobile version. I was happy to help you.